Other news we're following today, the trial of the former Brunswick district attorney accused of trying to obstruct the investigation into the murder of Ahmaud Arbery continued today in Georgia. Jackie Johnson is on trial more than 4 years after Arbery was shot and killed in Satilla Shores. Johnson is accused of violating her oath of office related to the investigation of the people who were eventually convicted in the death of Arbery. Our Rich Donnelly was in the courtroom today. And Rich, let's talk about the key testimony from the courtroom.
Anthony, the state called multiple witnesses to describe the process by which a district attorney could recuse themselves from a case. Jackie Johnson recused herself from the Arbery case after one of the men who was eventually convicted of Arbery's murder previously worked with her office. One of the key pieces of evidence that was presented today came from Johnson's defense team. After the state called Stephanie Oliver, who is the current assistant chief for the Glynn County Police Department and was the sergeant in the Criminal Investigations Division when Arbery was killed, the defense team showed an indictment from the grand jury that states the grand jury found Johnson interfered with the investigation by telling investigators not to arrest the McMichaels. However, today Oliver's testimony directly refutes the findings of the grand jury.
I never had any interaction with Miss Johnson during this case.
Did Jackie Johnson in any way ever talk with you about any of the facts of this case?
No, sir.
Did Jackie Johnson in any way hinder you in your investigation of this case in any way?
Not to my knowledge.
Did Jackie Johnson in any way stop you from the lawful discharge of your duties?
No, sir.
Did Jackie Johnson in any way direct you not to arrest Travis McMichael?
No, sir.
Assistant Chief Stephanie Oliver also said that to her knowledge, nobody from Jackie Johnson's office told her nor anyone from the Glynn County Police Department to not investigate the shooting death of Ahmaud Arbery. The obstruction of justice trial for former Brunswick District Attorney Jackie Johnson is scheduled to continue tomorrow at 9 a.m. Reporting live outside of the Glynn County Courthouse, Rich Donnelly, First Coast News, on your side.